Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is news agencies and international communication. The newspaper industry and international telegraph networks mutually facilitated each other. Telegraph communications drastically altered the way in which news was produced. The individual terms of modern newspapers became no longer selected on the basis of special spa- spatial proximity, but following newly emerging journalistic criteria of news relevance. As the supply and demand of the newspaper industry rapidly increased in the 19th century, news agencies were established successively. The French Havas Agency was founded in 1835, the German agency Olfin in 1849, and the British Reuters in 1851. These three European agencies began as financial data services for bankers but eventually started to operate internationally and extended their coverage to world news. They were all subsidized by their respective governments. By 1866, national news agencies were beginning to rise in many European countries. While they covered and sold news locally, they relied on the major services for coverage and sales abroad. The global media and news agencies have played a fundamental role in contemporary globalization, making possible the feeling of instant communication and the experience of global connection. They have played a pioneering role in the use of new technologies such as the telegraph, which have altered the nature of news. Technological innovation continues to be a major area of competition between global news agencies. Now we will discuss the advent of telegraph and time-space compression. In 1837, Samuel Morse invented telegraph. The telegraph worked by transmitting electrical signals over a wire led between stations. It was the first mode of communication to eliminate the effect of distance, allowing for a near instantaneous connection. Given its speed and reliability in delivering information, telegraph offered opportunities for capital and military expansion. It also increased market integration. It did so by lowering the cost of trade by increasing the capacity utilization of shipping as showed in table 1.1. The establishment of cable hardware signifies global power order in late 19th and early 20th century. मीन्स यहाँ पर यह कहने की कोशिश की गई है या बतलाने की कोशिश की गई है कि जो इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिकेशन है उसमें हमारे न्यूज़ एजेंसीज़ की क्या भूमिका है। न्यूज़ एजेंसीज़ ने इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिकेशन में किस तरह से अपनी भूमिका निभाई है, कैसे पूरे विश्व को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जोड़ने में और ग्लोबल विलेज की अवधारणा को साकार करने में न्यूज़ एजेंसीज़ की कितनी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रही है। धन्यवाद।